My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the online scam that is coming from the website Nupir.live. This website, Nupir.live, is absolutely faulty and deceptive. If you see these pop-ups, you should not interact with them. As you can now clearly see, such pop-ups claim to be related to the well-known security program. But in reality, they are not associated with any decent security software. Instead, there are some hackers who stand behind these pop-ups, and they try to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. So if you ever see these pop-ups by Nupir.live, don't interact with them and don't trust anything that they tell you. Such pop-ups could be the result of some adware on your computer. What we recommend you to do is researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software through this green download button, and then begin researching and investigating your system to detect and remove other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.